Hi, welcome back everyone. It's Kris and Jacki from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today we're going to talk about some of the differences that you're going to find between the Brother ScanNCut
SDX325
and the SDX330D.
Yeah.
Both very, very similar. A
Yes.
lot of the same things that, can be found on both, but we want you to go ahead and download your resource guide. This is going to help guide you through the next series of lessons that will tell you exactly what you need to know when you need to know it. And like Jacki mentioned before, we're going to start very, very basic because we don't want you to be intimidated by the machine. In fact, get the machine out of the box, right?
Exactly. The minute that it arrives at your house, or if you already have it.
Yes, ready to work on, yes, and ready to create. All right, so Jacki, let's go over some of the similarities first between the SDX325, which is the one that you have,
right here,
and the 330D, which is the one I have. So basically, both can scan, right?
Yes, exactly.
And they can scan in paper applique patterns.
Yes.
Which is awesome because if you have been used to doing drawing with heat and bond,
yes,
and having to trace it and then cut it out, you guys are going to be in for a real treat because you can actually scan in.
Which that's awesome.
It is. And not only can you scan in on the 12-inch mat, but on both machines you can scan in
on a 12 by 24.
Exactly.
That's also available for these machines.
Exactly. So you can scan and cut that size. Yes. Now, both have wireless capability, and that's the ability to be able to talk between these machines and certain embroidery machines from Brother. What machines are those?
Right. The Stellaire and up. And the Avenir, right?
Yes, that's pretty cool too.
It is really cool.
Yeah.
With My Connection is what it's called.
If somebody doesn't have a Brother machine or one of those models, can they still use the ScanNCut?
Absolutely. It's a standalone machine.
It is.
So you don't have to have one. It's just for wireless connection.
Exactly.
So even if you don't own a Brother machine, you can also take it from a USB to your machine.
Yes.
So there are ways around that. So, and we will talk about those.
We're going to go into
don't worry that you have
to
know everything right now.
Exactly.
Because we'll take you step by step and tell you exactly what you need to do.
Yeah. These machines effortlessly cut through thick materials. I mean, what are some of the materials we can cut through?
We can go up to 3 millimeters.
Yeah, that's
so
crazy.
There's wood, there's some balsa wood that you can cut. You can cut felt, you can cut foam.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try all of the different
mediums.
Yes.
Yes.
To do glitter, you can do all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, both also have the auto blade technology, and what that means is that we no longer have to worry about spinning the little dial to make sure that the blade depth is exactly where we want it, right?
That is huge.
Yeah.
I think that is one of the things that sets these apart from all of them.
Exactly.
Is that you don't have to set that.
Yes.
So then you don't have to keep notes. It just automatically does it for you, right?
And if you want to, like if there's something that you really, really want to be able to dial that in, perhaps you have a different blade, for example, you can still do that. You have options to be able to do that on this machine, but all of our blades come with the auto blade technology, which is pretty awesome. All right, both have drawing options too.
Yes.
Did you know that you can draw instead of cut?
Yes, and make your own color book pages to color. So
way too much fun.
Yeah.
And then something also that's really interesting, that it has 140 built-in quilt block designs.
That is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try that feature.
Yeah.
And get into that, because that's one thing I hate is cutting my quilt blocks.
Yes.
Don't you?
Yeah. Oh,
that's probably the worst part of the whole process.
Yes, for sure.
So.
Now, it's one of those things, if I were doing a really big quilt, I don't know if I would necessarily go this route.
Right.
It might be faster to go, just doing the rotary cutter, but you certainly could.
Yes.
And especially for those of you who struggle with cutting, if you have arthritis or carpal tunnel or something that prevents you from cutting the way you want to cut, this can be a game changer for sure. All right. Not only does it have the quilt blocks, you can also add in a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Any seam allowance you want in a 1/4 inch increments.
Yes.
And it will draw those on for you if
Yeah.
you want.
I think that
I
is,
mean,
that is amazing.
It makes
That's
it
amazing.
so simple.
Yes.
All right, so we've talked about the things that they both have in common, right? But there are just a few minor differences, aren't there?
Oh, there are, but it really doesn't make that big of a difference,
No,
does it?
it really doesn't.
It just depends on if you're a Disney fan or not, right?
There you go. I think that's the key, Jackie,
Yeah,
for sure.
yes.
Because both machines have over 1,300 built-in designs for cutting. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know if you would spend so many days just cutting. I can't even think of.
Oh my goodness, it's so
if
true.
you would ever use those all
I
at
don't
once.
know. It's kind of like the
might.
stitches on our sewing machine.
It's true.
We're sure glad we have them, right?
Yes,
But
yes.
not necessarily use them all, but you certainly could.
Yeah.
And that's just the beginning, you guys, because you can actually take shapes and weld them together and make new shapes, which we'll talk about in an upcoming video. Both have 150 quilt patterns already built into the machines, and both have 17 built-in fonts. So like Jackie said, really the only difference is you've got additional Disney on the Disney model. In fact, you have 182 built-in Disney designs. And then the other difference is what comes included in the box, right?
Yes.
So it's just a little bit different. So Jackie, what did you receive in your box when you got yours?
Yes, in my box, I received the ScanNCut, the basic mat, which is the standard tack adhesive one.
And that's what we use most often, right?
Yes, I says I think that was in the same in both of them. Really, the only difference, mine came with the fabric auto blade.
Yes.
And the fabric mat.
Yeah.
Which
that
yours
support sheet.
Yeah.
Or was it the mat?
It's a fabric mat.
The mat.
Yes,
okay.
the actual mat.
The gold mat.
The gold mat.
Okay.
And we'll talk
Perfect.
about those different colors
Yes,
too
we
and what they mean.
will. Yeah.
But really, that's about the only difference because the Disney version just had the rotary blade.
It had the rotary blade. So if you got the Disney edition, you instead of the thin fabric blade, you actually received the rotary blade, which I went ahead and purchased the thin fabric blade because I don't want to use my rotary blade on everything.
Yes, well, and I
So.
purchased the the rotary blade because it also comes, I think, with 63 different additional designs on that as well.
It does.
So I went ahead and purchased that because I
why
didn't want to be
not?
left out with on having all the things.
Exactly. So that's just a few of the basics. You know, both came with a little accessory pouch that includes a little spatula, right?
Yes,
and a stylus.
Our stylus.
These are important.
Yes,
You'll
in a
see
nice
that in
little
a minute.
bag. I mean, don't forget this cute little accessory bag to hold all of your stuff
Absolutely.
in. So
that's it, guys.
Yeah.
Those are your basic differences between the two. As you can tell, there's not very many. So it's one of those things that you just have to decide on what's most important
Disney
to you.
or not Disney.
That's right.
Because
the price point is, you know,
right.
the SDX330D is a little bit more expensive. So if that is a key factor for you, then you definitely want to go with the D.
Yeah.
If it's not, then go with the 325 because it is an incredible machine.
Yes.
So we hope that helped to explain a few of the main differences between these two machines. And if you have any other questions about them, let us know. Let us know in the comments down below, and we're happy to help answer any question you might have regarding these two amazing machines.